Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Zubair Ahmad and you are watching the English Enthusiasm. Types. In my previous video, we have discussed in details the types of noun, that was common noun, proper noun, concrete noun and abstract noun. Today in this lecture I am going to discuss three types of noun, that is countable noun, uncountable noun and collective noun. So before starting our today's lecture, please subscribe to my channel The English Enthusiasm and hit the bell icon so we will meet again and again. So let's start our today's lecture. So first of all we are going to discuss countable noun, that what actually the countable noun is. Countable noun. So from the very name we can conclude that what actually the countable noun is. So I am writing the definition over here, that countable noun are the names of those things which can be counted easily. One thing you should remember in countable noun, that is it has singular and plural both the forms. It has both singular and plural forms as well. It has both the singular and plural forms as well. Examples of countable noun are book. So book is a kind of thing we can count easily. Book is singular form while books are its plural form. Similarly, if I just write chair is the singular form and chairs are its plural form. So book, chair, desks, marker, these are the things which can be counted easily, or you can say easily students in a class. These students are the noun, are the type of noun which can be counted easily, or simply you can say teachers in a school. So teachers can be counted easily in a school. So teacher and teachers. So the singular form of teacher will be teacher and this is the plural form of teacher, this is teachers. Similarly, the student have a singular form student and this is the plural form of student, students. So it will have both the forms, that is singular and plural. Now I am going to discuss the type number 2, that is uncountable noun. So from the very name we can conclude that uncountable noun is the type of noun, are like the names of those things which cannot be counted. I am writing the definition here. These are the names of those things which cannot be counted. It does not have a plural form. It does not have a plural form. Examples are examples of uncountable noun are water. Like water is the name of that thing which we cannot count. Like how I will be able to count water? Love cannot be counted. Happiness, etc. So these are the examples of uncountable noun. Like love, water, love and happiness are the kind of noun which cannot be counted. Now I'm going to discuss collective noun. Collective noun. So from the very name of collective noun we can conclude that what actually collective noun is. So I'm writing the definition of collective noun, that collective noun, it refers to a groups of people, animals or things. Like collective noun refers to a group of people, a group of animals or a group of things as a single unit, as a single unit. For example, examples of collective noun are team of cricket. Like a cricket team is a collective noun. Or family is a collective noun. We can give them as a collectively, as an individual, as a single unit. And flock of birds. So flock is a collective noun for using for birds. Similarly, class is a collective noun. We can say police is also a collective noun. Army is a collective noun. Similarly, bouquet of flower, bouquet of flower, bouquet is a collective noun. So I hope you will have understand today's topic. For more such videos on English language like this, so subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. And if you have any question, so you can ask below in the comment section. This is enough for the day. Allah Hafiz and Allah Hafiz होने के बाद